Okay, good afternoon. Today I will talk about the presentation about research synopsis. I think that this presentation I like. mm, uh, I like a lot because this was very interesting for me. I can say that I learned a lot. It allowed clarifying many doubts. I think that is a process that we are going to develop over time. It isn't easy, but now I consider it is a challenge for me. I really like the following projects. The first project that I like is called Flipper Learning Virtual Environments to Implement Self-Regulation in Young Adolescent Learner. This project I like because it has have four elements. Number one, Flipper Learning, Virtual Learning, Environment, and Self-Evaluation in Young Adolescents. This project searched the opportunity for the implementation of self-evaluation in foreign language based on relation action on independence, because the idea is the use of technology to link our daily routines. And also this project at the moment is developing at private school. This project have five methods to record the data and instruments. The second project that I like and choose for this audio was for instance self-regulation strategies to enhance wiring skills in primary learners, because this project was born because the children write and write effectively, but the writing skill isn't easy to acquire for language person and language second learners. For this, it's necessary that the children know first the legal sounds and second the well spelled. So the sentences construction is developed in the first years of primary school. This project search to foster lower primary learners sentences construction skills through the implementation of self-regulation strategies. The following project that I called isn't in this area of research area, but I would like in this moment highlight. So the parents' perception of blended learning. This project was born for the situation at the moment. So the idea is to think what is the role of the parents in the students' education in the process, of course. What is the attitude of the parents, because this is important and have a great impact in the learning. So the question is of this project. The question is how the parents' is attitude, beliefs, and practice effects transition students in blended learning environments. So I take in account as guide to choose my research area and a project, because I believe that this allows me to know and discover the skills in the students, taking advantage and strengthening the English as foreign language in the classroom. Therefore, it is necessary to analyze the situation that currently I observe daily to enhance and achieve goals in my students to acquire knowledge in a second language. Thank you so much.